here?
I don't know. But I would take a hold of that vine and figure out where you're going.
Yeah, start out way out. I've already massacred one potato.
Well, we'll just cut it in half and take out the part you massacred and cook it.
There's a little potato. Oh, here's another little one. Small potatoes.
Well, there were some big ones in that first hill, so you know there's some more hills.
There's more. Look at that beauty.
These are Dakota pearls, and they're never as big as some of the other Kennebec. There you got some.
There's a couple
Just
of nice
take a
ones.
hold of those vines and pull them out, and you will start to pull out some of those potatoes. Well, so much for my idea.
Well, they pull apart real easy. Yeah, look at that.
Like I said, there's some, they're pretty good size, and there's quite a few small ones, but that's sort of the way this particular potato wants to grow.
The potatoes over here.
Pull that marigold out. We gotta get rid of him. We got too many marigolds.
I got mine down here. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh,
We'll hold that one up.
Look at that.
Just to prove there are some big ones. Yep, that's a good sized one.
Oh, I see another one down here. Look at that. Handful of potatoes.
Looks good.
Oh, there's another one. That's how I count. And another one and another one.
Now wait a minute, you've missed quite a few here.
What?
In between where we last dug, I still see some in the ground even.
Oh, here's the next you think there was something back here.
Yeah, there were. They weren't real big, but there were some. Well, thought I saw one. Maybe not.
Oh, there's one.
I thought I saw one. Not huge, so there's probably
We're
more
just seeing things.
little ones.
Look at that little cute
Yeah,
baby.
he's a cutie. He goes in with the peas. Before you dig, stop. You can get them with your hand. Don't dig. There's more there. I can see them.
Yeah, look at them. Look at them right there.
Boy, I want to bend over and start doing that. I'm just dying to pick these up. I got 2 more weeks.
Susan is not allowed to bend over. Look there. Oh boy, look at the taters. We're getting taters. Look at these tiny, beautiful little ones.
Either put them in with some peas or some fresh green beans.
Look at this one.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one.
Yep. They're just the
Nice.
size of a Dakota pearl. Like I said, the Kennebecs are so much bigger, but this patch got weedy because I couldn't weed it.
One tiny little baby.
I'm going to stop filming for just a minute. You'll have to cut that part out. Wow, that was a nice hill.
Yeah, look at this. Look at all those potatoes. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see if I can agitate.
Well, those are adding up pretty fast in there.
Yeah, we're getting some taters. I'm going to dig this from the side and see if there's any.
For not thinking I had many this year, we're going to have a good crop, it looks like.
Here's another one. And another one. That's from that same hill.
I see some exposed on the next hill.
Yeah, they're right here, and this one's getting green on top.
Uh-oh, that's no good.
Pull him out, eat him right away.
Yeah, I'll carve the green off and see if it's okay.
Well, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful potato?
Yeah, that's pretty. You know, you don't want to clean them off too much. They do better if they cure with the way they are.
I'm not rubbing too hard.
I know
See,
you
there's one right there. It's deep. Look at that. Well, this hill grew out to the side. There's another one over here. Look at that.
I see more.
A couple of little tiny ones.
I always sort them and then we just eat those little ones pretty quick.
Shake this out again. It's amazing to hit these and find one more hiding. Okay, and here's the next.
It's kind of good we got an inch of rain yesterday because I don't think you could have dug this.
The ground is digging nice today. There's a tater. That's a nice one. Oh, there's more.
I bet if you pull on that vine, a bunch will come up.
Yeah. Get these out safely. No, it doesn't
No,
want
took it right with it, didn't it?
the ground's hard enough they won't pull.
Pull that marigold, I'm telling you. It's in the way. Really, sometimes those marigolds are just trouble. Of course, there's foxtail on here, so I can get it weeded out.
Okay, I'm going to go to the side here and see if I can pop them loose. There we go.
Oh, there's a nice monster.
Yeah, look at that baby.
I was complaining about having planted them in this site, but it looks to me like they did really well here. Every bit as good as they did on the other side of the garden last year.
There we go.
You'll recall, I think we planted these on Palm Sunday. Do you remember?
Yes, we did. Put it out here Palm Sunday.
And today is July the 18th.
18. Well, Easter was going to be late this year,
Well,
so we jumped the gun a week.
we don't plant them on Easter. You plant them on Good Friday, but as I recall, the
We supposed to
condition.
plant them on Good Friday, and we did it on Palm Sunday.
Yeah, Good Friday was not good weather. I mean, as in it was, I think, pouring down rain. So I guess Palm Sunday was okay.
Palm Sunday worked this year. Gotta be more right here. There we go. Let me dig this
I see more.
from the side here, see if there's more. Oh, oh yeah.
You just missed it. Boy, you were lucky on that one, weren't you?
When I went outside enough, I thought I would miss. There's
I'll have to pull the basket. Man, that's like the first, not even the end of the first row. That's pretty darn good. We'll have to weigh them and see what we got, how many pounds. I got them awfully close to the tomato plants. Everything in this garden is close because I have to make the most of my space.
okay, that's all of those. Here's the next plant right here. We'll go out here and see if we can pop some loose. We got 2 stems going down this hill.
pretty. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Aren't those nice little gems? Oh, I love that.
Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm. It helps to be in the shade of that tomato, doesn't it?
It feels a lot better than full sun.
See the tomatoes are up high enough, they're really shading them. Probably about 4:30 or somewhere in the afternoon.
I lost one there.
I'm a little shaky on the camera because I have to be careful how I walk.
There we uncovered one.
Mm-hmm.
There's more. Yeah.
I believe each row is going to make a bushel, maybe. Or close to it. If they all did as well as this row has done.
This keeps going out sideways here.
Yeah. Well, if you recall, we had a couple of hills that rotted and we put some more in. They may have gone in and they're not straight into the row.
Look at this.
What? Yep.
Look at there.
Mm-hmm. Did that one have a sprout on it?
No.
No? It just looked like it might.
Okay, got that hill. Well, this marigold just took over here.
Oh, it did. They're kind of a pain, really, because they.
Okay, here's the next potato right here.
I'm going to quit.
Okay.
Boy, now we're into the next row of reds, Norland potatoes. He's already dug one hill of them, and some of them are a lot bigger than others, but they sure look good.
Yeah, we're digging the potato of New Orleans. There we go.
Okay, put them on over here in the basket. Oop, there's one jumped up behind you.
Yeah, I saw one fell.
I can't see too well in the shadows.
Yeah,
here.
look at those babies. Aren't those nice?
Yeah, we're kind of in the shadows, but hey, there, we can get down there. You can start to see. You just started this row.
Oh, look at this big one right here.
We'll hold it up.
Oh, look at this.
Wasn't as big, but there were two, right?
Yeah, there were two there. There's more, but wait, there's
Oh,
more.
a lot of little ones in there, I see.
I see a little one there. Again, that's
Kind of shadowy here. I'm not getting a good picture. I don't know where I'm going to get to a better angle or not.
Oh, yeah.
It's just too dark to get a good picture here, David.
I'll get these out in the sun. Look at that.
Yeah, they look nice.
Those are nice. Oh, there's one. Rolled one out that I didn't see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There's one right by your foot.
Oh, there it is. Right there, a little one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
For being so weedy and so many marigolds, I'm surprised they've done this well. But I think really...
The marigolds are supposed to keep some of the bugs out.
Yeah, but this is...
Look down
yeah, I
here.
see. But
See
this
how
is...
they unfold here?
I don't know if I can get in there with the camera.
Yeah, look at there.
That wasn't a real big hill, but...
There's more. See,
I
there's
see
more.
some.
I was just on the...
Yeah, well, the marigolds sort of came out volunteering. About that time, I had all the surgery, and it was like I couldn't do anything about it. I wouldn't leave this many normally. Nor would I leave the foxtail or the volunteer tomatoes. That all would come out. But, you know, hey, we're lucky we're getting what we're getting.
Oh, there
Woo!
went a spud.
He tried to run away.
Yeah, let's flip that again, see what we missed.
Well, at least I haven't seen any hornworms on the tomatoes, so maybe
there's a couple.
Good. Maybe the marigolds worked.
Yeah, I have not seen hornworms.
It's almost a little early, though.
This
I
year.
really started seeing them in the start of
There's
August.
a nice
so.
one.
Yep.
Better flip that one more. Oh, there's a whole passel of them there.
See, there's your plant. Yeah.
Bunch of-
Those reds did really well. Huh? I did try these red ones in a potato tower once and had...
Look at this, down here.
I
Here's
don't know if I
more.
can actually see that or not.
See, look.
Yeah. Any rate, I've tried them in a potato tower, and I did not do well with the potato tower. I don't think it was the fault of the red potato. I think the potato tower didn't work out for me.
And the potato tower takes a lot of water.
Yes, it does, and that was part of the problem. And it just, I don't know, just didn't do as well as in the ground. And really, I don't do them in the ground. I hill up and make sure they're, because it's such a, this spot had a really good soil on either end of the row and really awful soil in the middle.
Yeah, I think there's going to be some here.
Yep, I saw one fall, two fall.
There's one right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Oh, there's more.
There's more. I'm going to have to give a break on the filming again because I need to...
Yeah, I mean, how many potatoes can they stand to watch? You know?
Well, on top of that, you get to cut what you don't want. And I got to get better standing here. So I'm going to